Thumbnail test and compare rolling out for all creators in the coming weeks. Hey creators! We're excited to share that we're starting to roll out thumbnail test and compare to all creators with access to advanced features over the coming weeks. We know how excited everyone is to get their hands on this feature, and we can't wait to see how it helps take your video thumbnails to the next level. When will I get access to thumbnail test and compare? We're currently in the process of rolling out thumbnail test and compare to all creators with access to advanced features. If you have access to thumbnail test and compare, you'll see a test and compare for your thumbnails in YouTube Studio on desktop when publishing a new video or updating an existing video. If you don't have access yet, you can make sure your account is eligible for advanced features by going to the feature eligibility section in your channel settings in Studio and checking if you see enabled next to the advanced features section. This way you'll be able to start using test and compare as soon as you have access. We'll be updating this post when we've rolled out thumbnail test and compare to everyone, so be sure to hit subscribe below this post to get notified. What is thumbnail test and compare, and how does it work? Thumbnail test and compare is a feature that lets you upload up to 3 video thumbnails to test with viewers to help pick your winner. Some people call this A/B testing, but test and compare takes it even further with up to 3 thumbnail options. Here's how thumbnail test and compare works. YouTube will show your chosen thumbnails evenly across your video's viewers, and then we'll select a winning thumbnail based on which one generates the most watch time share. Note: it may take a few days or up to 2 weeks to get finalized test results from your thumbnails. Often, even after 2 weeks of testing, you may still not get a winner test result. The amount of time it takes to get test results is affected by a variety of factors, including the amount of impressions your videos get and how different your thumbnails are. If a test is in progress, you will see a running status. Once the test is complete, you'll see a report with your results. You'll see a winner label if a thumbnail clearly outperformed other thumbnails based on watch time share, and we're sure that these results are statistically significant based on data from viewers. YouTube will automatically update your video thumbnail to this winner when the test is done. You might also see a preferred label, which means the thumbnail likely outperformed other thumbnails based on watch time share, but we're less sure that viewers prefer this thumbnail compared to one that got a winner result. If there's no clear winner, the first thumbnail will be selected and shown to your audience. Remember that regardless of test results, choosing a thumbnail is up to you. You can always manually select the video thumbnail you want to use even if it wasn't the winning or preferred option. For a full walkthrough of thumbnail test and compare, check out this video. Eligibility requirements. Note: we're currently in the process of rolling this out to more creators, and we expect all eligible creators to have access in the coming weeks. This feature is currently only available on YouTube Studio on a computer. We'll continue exploring how we can support this feature on mobile devices. You need to have advanced features enabled on your channel. More on how to unlock access to advanced features in our Help Center. You can only test thumbnails on public long-form videos, live stream archives saved as videos, or on podcast episodes. You can't test thumbnails on videos that are set as made for kids, videos made for mature audiences, or on private videos. FAQs and thumbnail test and compare tips. Here are some of the most frequently asked questions and tips to help you get the most out of thumbnail test and compare. Why am I not getting a winner test result from thumbnail test and compare? This is totally okay. When you are running an experiment, it's common to receive other test results like preferred or none. First, you should check that your thumbnails have significant differences between options. We recommend testing thumbnail variations that explore different layout compositions and changes to thumbnail elements, including background, text overlays, and object placement, to learn which options land the best with your audience. If you are testing very different thumbnails and still not getting a winning result from your tests, it may be that you aren't generating enough impressions for our system to pick a statistically significant winner, or that all of your thumbnail options are working for your audience. Keep iterating on thumbnail variants, and when you find something that really works, you'll see it in the data. Why does Thumbnail Test and Compare only select winning thumbnails based on watch time share? Why not other metrics like CTR? We want to make sure that your thumbnail and content gets you the highest amount of viewer engagement, so we are optimizing for overall watch time share over other metrics. We believe that this metric is the best way to guide your content strategy decisions and support your chances of success on the platform. The tool is still in early stages, and we may expand to include more metrics in the future. Subscribe to this post and we'll post an update if we add any new metrics. Can I use Thumbnail Test and Compare on my previously uploaded videos too? You definitely can run tests for older videos by going to Content Details, Thumbnail Test and Compare. Remember that older videos may not always get the same amount of impressions as something you're uploading for the first time, so it might be harder to generate conclusive test results. We also recommend only running a few thumbnail tests at a time to help inform your thumbnail strategy versus trying to change all your thumbnails at once. Can't wait to hear about your experiences using Thumbnail Test and Compare. Let us know what you think in the comments below.